Maintenance. Maintenance. Whoa, it's hot in here. Maintenance. What the Samuel Adams going on in here? Whew. That's a hottie, boy. I can't get a tall 40 in here. Well, love to have that. Okay. Well, we'll put a hose in it. Cut this off. We'll cut this off. Cut it off. Get this out. And man, that's water hot. And put a hose in here down into that, and it'll drain itself. So what we'll do is get her done. Alright guys, let me show you how I do this. Okay, got water relief valve up on top. We'll cut that bad boy off. Let it catch. Okay. Get this off. Okay. This goes all the way down. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that, take this line off. The thing is I'm on the second floor. There's no way that that's going to drain down. Get this off. Out of the way. And then we're going to get this out. Whoop. Gotta get a good bite on that bad boy. Oh! Hey man, I'm going the wrong way. I'll be alright. It's early. Well, shit. See if I can kick it. There we go. Whatever we gotta do to get going. Okay, so now we got that stupid out. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, since this is being a weirdo, ooh. Okay. Well, I'll go downstairs, talk to them real quick, make sure it lines in there. Put a tube in there and tube in this. So I need to pull this out a little bit. Okay, cool. Okay, so now what we're going to do is this is PEX A. It's flexible. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put it down inside. We'll put it inside the blow off. Okay, all the way to the bottom. All right. and then pull it up just a little bit. And then we're going to give us a good suck, stick it down in there. Hold on a minute. Cool. Got a cipher going on. That little water right there, that's coming from me disconnecting that water line. See, now there's water down there. I don't think that water is bad, bro. Let's go down and double check downstairs. Back to the smoker man. I'm glad I did. So we need to go get a water heater. It's the quick connect water lines with the shark bite on it to hook the water heater back up. Everything else is plain Janie, no big deal. The electrical line should hook right back up, no problem. And then we'll put one of the PEX drop tubes on that water heater because he is upstairs. So right now we're going to run over and look at that tub faucet so that we get all the parts today. We don't have to mess with it. So I always use these. It's a 3/4, ½ inch. And then I need a shorter piece of pipe. But I don't want to burn it. Well, I guess I'll be alright. I use what I got as far as the pipe goes. And click it and click it. Alright, so that's pretty well got all the water out of it. Already cut the lines, disconnect the water, slide it out. So I got it slid out. It weighs still about another, man, that's heavy. It's probably about 75, 80 pounds. But look at all that. I might have to cut that out, man. Make sure that this is where the water was leaking from. You know what I mean? Get her done, bro. Water heater up the staircase. Even though I drained it, it still got water in it. That's how you do it, bro. Get her done. Those little statues of peeing boy. That's just funny. So what we'll have to do is put a couple of oh shit. Oh shit, my bad. Wrong end. So we'll have to figure out how I'm gonna get this on there. Looks like about right there. Yeah, if I cut it back in here, I've plenty of room. Same thing with this. I cut it about right there. About right there. Cool. Hook them up, hook the water up, or electric it up. I don't have to do anything special with this because this wire's long enough. It's got a case on the end of it, so cool. So I got my wire connected. You put 2 screws in there. Got the supply line on. This right here, I picked up the wrong fitting. So I went out to the shed. I'm sorry. So got this connected, disconnected. Got to put 2 screws in it. So I picked up the wrong line for this. So I went out to the shed and I found one, except it's got a shark bite shut off by. So it's a double shut off. So I don't really care because it's free. You know what I mean? Free to me. And I can go back there past this fitting, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go right to it. So let's whack that off and get this thing done so I can go to lunch. Oh, wrong way. Get her installed, brah. Play around with a little bit of excess paint on there, but it should be just fine. That is 3/4. Easy peasy, baby. There we go. I got a pop on it. So I can't turn the water on to fill the water heater up until I get this on. Because sometimes on these older complexes, you get backflow. It'll actually feed through the hot side. Some of them not. And I'm not going to go to the extent of replacing all this. So, come on, man. I just want to pressurize the system real quick. Whew. Oh, wrong way. I've done that like 3 times today. Hey, it's wrong way Tuesday. All right, she's on. No leaks. Let's fill this pig. Real easy with them bad boys, man. Always bleed the air out. Otherwise you'll mess your fittings up on the water heater. So I do have a new fitting for this. It's Shark Bite 3/4, 1/2 inch. And we're going to use this PEX B or a PEX A. Filling up pretty quick. We'll show you what I'm going to do. The reason why I went this route, well, one, I already had the pipe, so what the hey ho. The other reason is this 1/2 inch will fit inside that 3/4. So, and this is PEX A, it's real flexible. Get it down in there, far enough, cut it off, good to go. I don't know if I can use this or not. We'll give it a shot. I don't think so, but you never know. It'll make a score mark on it, that's for sure. But I like this stuff. It's real soft, actually. It's flexible. We'll cut it with it. It's a little bit easier than working with PEX B. PEX B is not very flexible. So what I'm gonna do, I'll shoot it up in there and pressure. Okay. Relieve that pressure off the line. Just tighten this up. I'm not shooting water all over the place. See, works like a charm. Like I said, man, these are just, I'm not going all fancy with it. You know, there we go. And like penny, I go over and check the faucets. Make sure there's no air in it. It's all good and clean. All we gotta do is put 2 screws on it and light her up. All before 12 o'clock. I've only been working on this for half an hour. Nah, I'm just messing, man. Been about an hour. I think I looked at the clock and it was 10:30 when I started the drain down on this bad boy. I'm pretty sure it's about what time it was. It's only now coming up on like 11:40. But I also had to run Lowe's to get parts too, so. Doesn't take very long. Now, I like the fact that I already had this wire fitting on here. That makes it nice, man. Let's light this pig, man. Oh, it's right here. Pew pew. She lit and installed. Huh? Brand new water heater. It's 11:30. It took me 1 hour. Of course, I spent an hour of my time running to get fittings, the water heater, and I also went to the other property. So what we say, what we call that, dunner. This is Milwaukee Dolly. It's got that big platform on it. You know, it may be not 90% plastic. Man, that thing is awesome because it's got a big platform on it. That thing's still heavy. I think it's about at least another set. It's still about 75 pounds. All the way up down the stairs. It's real nice. You know? weight capacity, and it's balanced out perfectly. Look at one hand, no problem whatsoever. I just love this little dolly.